So in case you don't know how to subscribe to my YouTube channel, it's very simple. Watch this. Once you open the link I sent or any of my YouTube videos, if you open any of my YouTube video, let me show you. For instance, if you open the video, you should see the red subscribe button. Assuming you are not watching on this into in, you should see like this, something like this. Once you open my videos, you should see this subscribe button here. You should also remember to like videos. It helps us a lot. It's a kind of approval rating. So when you touch the subscribe button, from red it will change to gray. Look at that. It says subscription added down here. Can you see that? So that is how to subscribe. No big deal. It's free. Then to receive notification whenever I upload a new video, you touch this bell icon here. Remember to like, please. Touch the red bell. I should see my name and my picture there. You should always see my name and my picture. That tells you that you are on my channel. You're on my channel.